Okay, so week 24, first thing on Monday, if we go and look at that folder, it says priority 1, complete all late missing work from Unit 11. Priority 2, retake Unit 11 test or take it if you have not yet. And then if you're done with that, it's a pretty simple day for you. It's a little bit of a catch-up day. You're going to watch this video on why the magnetic field matters and then complete these intro questions as you watch that video. Okay, you do not have to upload that. We'll go over it on Thursday or Friday. Remember, Tuesday is Opportunities Day, so Monday is hours 1 through 3, and Wednesday is hours 4 through 6. So Monday and Wednesday, if you need to, you're taking the What is a Wave worksheet, Wave Properties worksheet, Unit 11 Open Note test, or completing the Flame Test Lab. Okay. Thursday, Friday, pretty simple. We'll go over the questions from Monday, Wednesday. We'll take Unit 12 Entry 1 notes. You can check your answers here or stay with me. And then you are taking the magnetism practice quiz that's going in the portal. So pretty simple, easy week for us as we transition into Unit 12, our last unit before spring break. All right, love you guys. Bye.